Fun fact, one of my favorite parts of traveling is staying in a hotel. Mainly because after a long day of sightseeing, there's nothing more relaxing than spending a quiet evening in my room curled up with a good book. But I digress. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you some vocabulary words that'll allow you to describe what's in your hotel room. Let's go! Bonjour mes amis! Alright folks, so before we run through today's vocabulary, there are two important words that you should know. The first one is réserver, and that is the French verb for to book or to reserve. Okay, so repeat after me. Réserver. Réserver. Très bien. So do you know how to say the word for hotel in French? That's what I thought. So actually, it's really similar to how we say it in English. In French, we say l'hôtel, and that means the hotel, okay? And to say a hotel room, we say une chambre d'hôtel. Repeat after me. Une chambre d'hôtel. Excellent. Okay, so now you're ready for more. Here are a few more vocabulary words of items that are commonly found in hotel rooms around the world. I'm gonna run through these words, but please feel free to stop the video as necessary so you can get as much practice and repetition as you need. Bed. Le lit. Le lit. Toilet. La toilette. La toilette. Key. La clé. La clé. Chair. La chaise. La chaise. Table. La table. La table. Toothbrush. La brosse à dents. La brosse à dents. Toothpaste. La dentifrice. La dentifrice. Door. La porte. La porte. Window. La fenêtre. La fenêtre. Let's practice what we've learned. Voilà la chambre que j'ai réservée. Quelle belle chambre d'hôtel! J'aime surtout la table et la chaise à côté de la fenêtre. Et regardez le lit! Il a l'air très confortable. Je vois la brosse à dents et la dentifrice à côté de la toilette. J'ai plus besoin de clé. Cette chambre est très bien équipée. Hooray! You're done! That brings our lesson to a close, and I hope that you really enjoyed this lesson of vocabulary words that you can use to describe your hotel room. For more French vocabulary words, make sure to check out Lonely Planet's new book series, First Words French. And stay tuned for more French language videos from me, Oneika. Au revoir et à bientôt. Bye!